Hi, it's Tyler from Reviews of Cool Stuff, and today we are looking at this Preup 7-in-1 multifunction pressure cooker. Now, let's start by taking it out of the box. Let's see what we've got here. I got this because I needed a rice cooker, but I thought that'd be so cool if I could get one that does pressure cooking as well. So, I found this one. It seemed like a good fit. It was cheaper than a lot of the other pressure cookers online, but had good reviews, so I thought, let's give it a try. And there we go. Out of the box, it's pretty simple. Comes with the pressure cooker and the plug. So this is an electric pressure cooker. And, oh actually, I think there's a recipe book, so let me look underneath. Nope, no recipe book. So we'll just have to look online for recipes. But we'll get this plugged in. I want to try it out, so I can't tell you much about it until I try it. I can show you what we have here on the front. There's a button for soup, another one for meat or stew, another one for bean, chili, one for poultry, slow cook, saute. You've got manual or preset, adjust in temperature, so with your plus and minus there. On the other side we have rice, that's what I want. Multi-grain, porridge, steam, and yogurt. So I'm looking at the steam, meat, and rice. That's where I'm most likely going to use it. Let's make some rice tonight. I'll show you it in action, and then we'll try some other things with it and let you know how it goes. So this is our Preup pressure cooker, and I'm looking forward to trying it out. Alright, so here's what we've got with the pressure cooker out of the box. Notice on the pressure cooker it's got a little condenser thing. This catches the stuff that condenses, and then you've got a nice seal here on your outer ring for the pressure cooker. It does come with a small recipe book, a rice spoon, a ladle, a measuring cup, and then your user manual. I'm gonna go ahead and put some rice in it and we'll see how it cooks up. Okay, today we're gonna be cooking up some white rice. Now there are measuring lines inside the bowl, but I found that with smaller quantities you're better off just measuring with a normal measuring cup. And the thing comes with one, but I like mine more. Alright, so we're just going to do a couple cups of rice. Take this out to add the water. Okay, when you're ready to go, just put your lid on, make sure that the valve's on seal. Plug it in and hit rice. It'll automatically sense how much rice you have in. That's kind of the default dwell state, but then it'll calculate it and then it will start going. So that's all you have to do. It will figure it out itself. While it's in the preheat phase, this is going to be going around. It lets you know that it's heating up, and then I'll put a timer on after that. Alright, see how it just went from 1 to 2? That's because the sensor inside could tell it's still not done yet. So turned it, kept the time going, so instead of going down, it just still keeps on cooking, just keeps cooking. Alright, and there you go. My rice is cooked. Woohoo! Thanks, pressure cooker guy.